We homeschooling families have a lot going on and a lot to manage. Whether we have one child we're homeschooling or if we have several children, we have to figure out a way to feel more prepared, more on top of it, and more at peace. So today, let's talk organization. I'd like to talk to you about two things I have done for a number of years that have helped me to feel more organized. So one thing is, for a number of years now, I have put together something that looks like this. At the beginning of the week, I give my kids, even when they were a lot younger, just basically a breakdown of what I wanted them to accomplish over the course of the week. I have the major headings of the subjects that they'll be doing. I highlight them, and then oftentimes I'll have the textbook here, and then in more detail what I would like for them to do in each of those texts or whatever. Or also under religion, for example, I might say masses and perhaps where we'll be going to church on that particular day or week, that sort of thing. And then at the end, I always have a this week section, and that helps me to organize in the first place. What do we all have this week? And that way they know too the basics of different things that we are planning on, the highlights kind of. A second thing that we like to do in our homeschool to keep things organized is get a good Catholic planner. These are wonderful. I'm just going to open up to an ordinary week here, but this is kind of what it looks like each of the days of the week. Lots of space to write down that week's or that day's subjects. So it's really nice because it says that saints, feast of the day. There's oftentimes a reflective verse here from the upcoming Sunday's gospel, the Sunday readings, in case you or your child want to take the opportunity to look at those. Lots of great things from a spiritual standpoint. And from an academic standpoint, it's wonderful too, because once you've given these out at the beginning of the week, and you and your children, you have the bird's eye view of what is expected over the course of the week. With a younger child, you can help them break it down. How are we going to get done everything we need to do? With an older child, it really helps to help them time manage. They know what they have to do now. How are they going to make it happen? And break that down over the course of the week. So these are a couple of things that have helped us over the years to feel prepared and organized when it comes to our schooling. So I hope that they can help you too. Mary, Queen of Heaven, pray for us. Saint Elizabeth, pray for us.